good morning, good evening, good day, whatever time you're looking at this video. Anyway, thank you guys for tuning in today also. Today my day started off with just finishing off some emails and stuff, and then I got over to the files. I got the files from my artist, and I'm going to show you a sneak peek of the tracks we're going to release before the album in May. The album is going to drop from all three artists in the end of May. But right now we're going to drop 2 singles from each artist in the middle of April. So you're going to see a little teaser of a song called Diego, and on this track you have YoungChaz and Arian, aka Scarface. It's called Diego. I'm ballin' like Diego Maradona. Got the quality of billboards. I'm Johnny and a Rona. My boss is getting deadly like a cobra. Scarface. Absolute in my blood, I'm chilling in my zone. All these fake rumors, it ain't me, it's just a clone. Baby, bust it down, shaking every single bone. That's it. Hola, ¿cómo estás? Shawty from Jamaica, but she said konnichiwa, and she looking hella. I'm also very pumped about. It's called John Pepper. You have probably seen him in some of my videos right now. But John Pepper is an artist that's going to hit all the hearts out there in the world. He's also going to hit the trap audience, the pop audience, the rock audience, mom's audience. He's going to hit all of the audiences, and that's really where the money is when it comes to music. That's a single reason why Cardi B have a huger net worth singly than all of the Migos combined, because she hit all of the people that listen to music, not a specific group of people and a specific category. So John Pepper, this song is called Dropout, and I think it's very crazy. Please give me a comment down below what you guys think. Lonely. It's something new with his voice, you know. He got that small thing you need, man. You know, guys, I feel that every time I'm trying to use a scanner or a printer like this, I feel like it's never working as it should, man. I'm always trying to fucking get this shit to print. And I bought this bad boy for like $450, man. So it's not a cheap printer. It's Epson, so it should do its thing, man. Look this. If anybody, the viewers know something about Epson, please help me, man, because this sucks really good, man. So right now, guys, I'm eating some lunch, and the thing I love to eat to lunch, besides the salad I'm always eating, is this one. I like to eat something called where the fuck is the something called brie. It's like a cheese, presidential brie, and it's crazy good to have on your bread, just on your bread. If you put some plum jam, some nuts, and of course the cheese, put it in the oven, just let it do this thing for like 5 to 10 minutes on moderate heat, and you get a fucking crazy lunch. And it's eat it with like brown bread, so you get something in your stomach, not just air. So that's my lunch today. Today you're going to see me go down to the studio again. I'm going to show you something from the studio, I think, and the thing is the things that are on the agenda today in the P.Daddy Promotions is to interview all the artists and then post it on our personal Instagram that are P.Daddy. And I'm going to leave the links to the description down below for that IG as well, so you can keep up with what P.Daddy is doing. And also, I have called a lot of places in Bergen. It's the next largest city in Norway, where I live. And I have called all the event places I can, and got a lot of good meetings in this week and next week for the artists to come up and perhaps perform at their place. So it's a fun week, fun things to do, and I love to call. So this is my right element to be in, to call. So I'm nailing the phones and pretty much closing everybody I'm calling to have a gig there. So I love it. So stay tuned. I'm so hyped for the future right now, and for future for P.Daddy, and also DUI.no and all of my other businesses. Everything is going very smooth at the time, but it's now you have to work even harder and not relax at all, and just keep pushing even more to just blow and push through, man. So keep with me on this journey, guys. It's an amazing journey, and it's going to be a lot of good value things to pick up and you can implement in your life. It's also good vlogging content, and you're going to get behind the scenes of artists that are going to blow up and get very, very famous. So you're going to see how they are acting, what they're doing now before they got famous. So I think that's a very crazy and interesting view of how people are before they get famous, and the journey when they are getting famous. So keep tuned at Tibor's vlog if you want to get updated on everything that makes you money, and see you guys later when we are at the studio again, okay? So right now, guys, I'm on my way to get picked up by Mo's vlog to go to the studio. Picked up some croissant and some coffee and are on my way. This is Mo's.
Hello.
On his tippy toes. Without grills, man. Smack. So guys, this is John Pepper just trying to make a song, then just start freestyling on a beat and just play around and see where it goes. Listen up. I just think I had enough. I just think I had enough. I just think I had enough. Chilling with my bros, you know, taking all the drugs, you know. I just Scarface on the production, the new CPO. God damn. I just think I had enough.
Next down. Also, I'm the year cleaner.
I just think
Det är nog med, jag vet inte, är det en hashtag? För jag funderar för. Det är det som är hashtag på.
Jag ger på hashtag.
I just think I had enough. Chilling with my bros, you know, taking all the drugs, you know. I just think I had enough. You know she got me so cute, yeah. I'm in the lane with the dudes, penthouse and be cute. If you want me, join my lane, you better have a plan. I just chilling, never proposing. Running for the babies and running for the bags. Living with my mama 24/7.
Ballin', I'm flexing, I got with flair. I be chillin', I'm making money. Mama sitter, she be playing so funny. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I be chillin'. Mama sitter be the realest thing. Oh. Yeah. Ska jag hoppa?
I went awkward.
What was that, man? What the fuck was that? Freestyle?
Yeah, it was a freestyle. I just feeling the pitch. You feel me?
Let's go! Yeah. Ha, just.
I'll keep that.
Ay.
But det där.
Hey, yeah. I just think I had enough. 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 Chilling with my bros and hoes, taking all the drugs we know. I just think I had enough. I just think I dratte det va? Det där blir sången. Ska du slå en glass tillsammans?
I've never seen like that before in my life, bro. That was insane, bro.
Why the fuck did you do it? Did you like this?
I'm trying to find ideas, man. I'm trying to see if I can sing better. I feel like I can sing, but I feel like I can do much more. And with autotune, you can play like hell, bro. You feel me?
Okay, I feel you.
So, why not, man?
Why not?
I'm just trying and exploring, man. That's why I'm an artist, bro. That's why I do this, man. No cap.
Take P.Daddy to the next heights, man. Smos.
Att klicka helt samman liksom. Det är en art liksom.
Okay, what up, guys? Sitting here with the fucking P.Daddies, the artists in P fucking Promotions.
Yes sir.
P.Daddy Promotions.
Yes sir.
And in this fucking video right here, you're going to get to know these guys a little better. So this right here is fucking John Pepper.
Papa.
And this guy right here.
Scarface.
This guy right here.
YoungChaz. Grrr.
And just going to start off with just asking a little bit about you guys. Who the fuck are these guys? Who are you, John Pepper?
Bro, I'm a new artist. I gotta pop out with my niggas Chaz, Scarface. You know this shit is lit. We not fucking, I'm a CMO promotions for P.Daddy. You know this shit is real, man. We're gonna blow up and we're gonna do our thing, nigga. Just wait and see. Let's go.
Okay. Who old are you, man?
I'm 20 years old.
Alright.
Chaz, how old are you?
I'm 18.
Fuck are you, man?
What's up, guys? I'm YoungChaz. I'm CEO of P.Daddy Promotion. You're looking at an 18-year-old boy from Bergen who's gonna rap and follow his dreams, man, and make some money, bro. No
This
cap.
is fucking two-person, guys.
Yes, sir.
Rapping Irani all the way.
Yes, sir.
And this guy is also, we have so many nationalities right here. This guy fucking Korean. So this is P.Daddy.
Shout out to the cameraman, Mo, behind the scenes.
Mo behind the scenes.
Yes, sir.
The guy that's gonna make it pop. Okay, guys, who the fuck are you, man?
What's up, guys? Yes, I'm Arjen Berg from Bergen town, repping the city, and I'm 18 years old. Just started rapping like about a year ago, year and a half, but now we're on the top level. So we're finna drop some shit, we're finna drop an album, get some gigs together for you guys, you know what I'm saying? Just stay tuned.
Yes, sir.
Stay tuned, man.
Stay tuned.
Fuck off,
Stay tuned, man.
We got the new sound, we got a new wave.
Okay.
New sounds nobody has ever known before.
Okay.
But as you know, we got Scarface in the building. So we fucking the system up.
Okay.
My unique thing is the scars on my face. That's why I go by the name Scarface. You know that shit?
Hey. Signing.
It's Diamond.
YoungChaz. So guys, that was the day for today. Just to wrap up the vlog, just sitting here right now editing today's vlog, the vlog you have just seen actually. So I hope you liked the vlog. Now my girlfriend is sitting behind me editing and producing content to P.Daddy Promotions social media platforms. So please check them out. The links are in the description. So always remember, guys, always do your hustle, make your money, and do whatever the fuck you want to do in life. Peace out.